Unleashing the Power of ChatGPT. Part 4, Data-Driven Insights and Analytics. Welcome back to our exploration of ChatGPT's impact on social media marketing. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of data-driven insights and analytics, and discover how ChatGPT can analyze social media data to provide valuable information for marketers. ChatGPT's advanced capabilities extend beyond generating engaging content and personalized interactions. It also possesses the ability to analyze social media data and extract valuable insights that can shape successful marketing strategies. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT is its capacity to identify trends. By processing large volumes of social media data, ChatGPT can spot emerging topics, popular hashtags, and viral content. This knowledge allows marketers to stay ahead of the curve and leverage these trends to their advantage. By incorporating trending topics into their content strategies, marketers can increase visibility, engagement, and reach. Furthermore, ChatGPT can help marketers gain a deeper understanding of audience preferences. By analyzing social media data, including user interactions, comments, and sentiments, ChatGPT can provide insights into what resonates with the target audience. This knowledge empowers marketers to tailor their content and messaging to align with the preferences and interests of their audience, resulting in more impactful and engaging campaigns. Optimizing content strategies is another area where ChatGPT excels. By analyzing social media data, ChatGPT can identify patterns and correlations between different content types, formats, and engagement levels. Marketers can leverage these insights to optimize their content strategies, focusing on the types of content that drive the most engagement and conversions. This data-driven approach ensures that marketers are investing their time and resources in creating content that resonates with their audience and generates tangible results. In addition to trend identification and content optimization, ChatGPT plays a vital role in tracking and measuring the performance of social media campaigns. By analyzing metrics such as reach, impressions, engagement, and conversions, ChatGPT can provide real-time analytics that help marketers understand the effectiveness of their campaigns. This allows for data-driven decision-making, enabling marketers to make adjustments and optimize their strategies for maximum impact. To summarize, ChatGPT's data-driven insights and analytics capabilities provide marketers with valuable information to shape their social media strategies. By identifying trends, understanding audience preferences, optimizing content strategies, and tracking campaign performance, ChatGPT empowers marketers to make data-driven decisions that drive engagement, reach, and conversions. In the next video, we'll wrap up our exploration and recap the transformative impact of ChatGPT on social media marketing. Stay tuned for the final insights and conclusion. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment.